Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Al Baraka School. I am Dawood Khan, the principal of Al Baraka School. We focus or specialize in excellence in education. Our vision is to nurture a deep understanding of Quran and Islamic teachings. We are committed to excellence in both education and also the character development. Why character development? The Prophet has taught us the best of you are those who are the best in manners and character. We aim to develop confident Muslim individuals who are prepared in this life and also in the hereafter. Alhamdulillah, we've been serving this community for over 25 years, and it's been such a huge blessing that Allah Ta'ala has blessed us with, and I cannot thank Allah enough. If you're looking for a school that nurtures your child's academic, spiritual and emotional development, then welcome to our family. May Allah continue to bless our school and be a source of Sadaqah Jariyah for everyone who's been involved throughout our journey.